Staccato bowing, mastering the art of string music. Hello everyone, today, we're going to delve into the fascinating world of string music, focusing on a specific technique, staccato bowing. This technique is a cornerstone in playing string instruments like the violin, cello, or viola. By the end of this video, you'll understand what staccato bowing is, how it's used, and why it's so important in music. Staccato bowing is a technique used by string musicians to create a unique sound effect. The word staccato itself comes from Italian, meaning detached or disconnected. In musical terms, staccato notes are played in a short, sharp manner. It's like creating little musical dashes, where each note is distinct and separate from the others. Achieving staccato bowing involves a specific way of using the bow on the string instrument. The key is in the control of the bow's pressure and speed. Musicians must learn to quickly lift the bow off the string after each note, creating a brief silence between notes. This gives the music a choppy, rhythmic feel, which can add excitement and drama to a piece. Staccato bowing is used across various music genres, from classical to contemporary. In classical music, it adds rhythm and texture to compositions. In modern music, it can be used to create a sense of urgency or excitement. Listening to pieces like Vivaldi's Four Seasons or Tchaikovsky's Nutcracker can provide excellent examples of staccato bowing in action. To master staccato bowing, regular practice is essential. Start with simple scales, focusing on the short, sharp movements of the bow. Gradually, as you get comfortable, move on to more complex pieces. Remember, it's all about bow control and precision. Staccato bowing is a dynamic and exciting technique that adds richness to string music. Whether you're a budding musician or just a music enthusiast, understanding this technique deepens your appreciation for the art of string music. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. Keep practicing, and enjoy the beautiful world of music.